So here's the Vantrue Nexus 2X Dashcam, a very unique product by Vantrue which offers you a front camera and a cabin camera. So if you see the specifications right at the box, it says it supports 1944p front resolution with a 1080p rear 30 fps, gets a Sony Star-Vis2 image sensor, gets HDR, Wi-Fi and app control, gets voice control as well, along with GPS and 4 parking monitoring modes. This gets a magnetic assist mount, gets a supercapacitor, an optional remote control and an optional CPL filter. So this is the Nexus 2X with model number N2X. Let's quickly open up the box and take a look at the contents inside. So as soon as you do open up the box, you get QR codes to download the Vantrue app from both Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Then you have the user manual for the 2-channel voice controlled smart dashcam. So here's the main camera which gets a Vantrue branding right at the front. So here are the magnetic clip-on mount slot for the windshield mount. You get the main front camera lens. On one side you get a Type-C port for power and a micro SD card slot with a speaker. At the back, you get a power button with the emergency record button. At the back, you get a mini display. I mean, the previous Vantrue cameras used to get a larger display. This one gets a smaller sized one. On one side, you get the cabin camera, which also gets a movement of close to 90 degrees, and the movement is super smooth. At the bottom, you get the control buttons with 4 dedicated buttons right below the mini display. You also get some mini clips for the wiring attachment. So here's the magnetic mount which attaches to the windshield, and you get these alignment pins right here. So all you need to do is just place it and press it, and basically you're done. If you ever need to remove the dash cam, just pull out the handle and it comes out pretty easily. So this is a magnetic clip-on windshield mount, and this fits properly and firmly well into the dash cam. So you shouldn't be having any issue with this. Also, the dash cam is kind of rotatable. So this is sort of a ball joint right here. So you can rotate the camera to a certain level, to a certain degree based on your requirement. Vantrue has also provided 2 windshield mounts dedicated along with a pre-attached 3M sticker. So this basically slides on to the main windshield mount, the magnetic mount right here. So you need to slide it and stick it just like this. So now your dashcam is basically ready to be mounted on the windshield. The space sticker is a cherry on top. You also get a wiring installation tool. You also get a short cable which is basically a Type A to Type C connector. So here's the main power cable which gets a pre-attached 12-volt charger. The charger itself gets Vantrue branding with a LED indicator along with a USB port for any of your USB accessories. On the other end, you get a L-shaped Type-C connector which also gets a cap, and that's a nice thoughtful thing done by Vantrue. Along with it, you also get a cleaning cloth, you get a pair of electrostatic stickers, you also get a protected by Vantrue dashcam sticker inside the box. You also get an additional card inside the box which says you have to share some video in order to stand a chance to win some accessories by Vantrue. So this unique concept implemented by Vantrue, providing you a 3K front camera and a full HD cabin camera, kind of sorts out many problems and kind of provides you a variation in terms of getting a dash cam, because probably for more people it's important that they only have a front dash cam and a cabin camera without the rear camera. So it'll be interesting to see the kind of video quality this dash cam provides and the kind of effect you get from it. So the full review of the Vantrue Nexus 2X will be dropping soon on my channel. So you need to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. You need to make sure that you like this video and share this video with all your friends who want to see some Vantrue dash cams. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.